Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project videos. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project exhaust fan that switches on automatically on detecting smoke, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. You will get to see the project working in action. Seeing that this project works would give you the confidence to invest your time and energy in developing it. Let me explain key parts of the project that you will learn more about while working on it. Here, an exhaust fan is being shown. This exhaust fan automatically turns off on detecting smoke. The key components used here are 7805 voltage regulator, AVR microcontroller, MQ2 gas sensor, NPN transistor, relay and an LED. Interested in making this DIY project? Refer to the URL below for the complete circuit diagram and detailed project overview. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.